Welcome back. Today we're making
leg of lamb roast.
We're going to score it. We're going to tic-tac-toe the roast. We're going to fill it with rosemary, thyme, garlic, just like a steak. And then we're going to put coarse salt with it, some butter, and then we're going to cook it for 10 minutes at 220, and then we're going to go an hour or so at about 180 degrees. So let's get into it. First, we're going to peel our garlic. We're going to do that to each one. Then we're going to finely dice it. Ow! Fuck. Chop my finger off damn near, but the show must go on. We're going to do this to about 4 garlic cloves. Then we're going to pull off some rosemary. Then we're going to give these a nice chop. We're going to do the same thing with some fresh thyme. Then we're going to give that a chop. We got a squirter. Then we're going to give this baby a quick score. Don't go too deep unless you can. You know what I'm saying? We're going to just jam our knife in and make a couple incisions. And then we're going to take some of that garlic, rosemary, and thyme mix. Get a little pinch on your hand and try and stuff it on each little hole you make. And then the rest just kind of mix around. Flip it, sprinkle the other side. Push it into those crevices that you made from earlier. Hit it with some coarse salt. All right, then we're gonna take it over to the oven to give it a quick sear. All right, we got some butter in the pan, nice and hot. We're gonna sear it for about 2 minutes each side. Whole beast in there. Oh, these smells are awesome. Take any of that remaining butter, put it right on. Then we're gonna throw this in the oven at 220 for about 10 minutes. It's been an hour, so we're gonna take it out. It looks so beautiful right now. We're gonna take it out and let it rest for at least 20 minutes, but try and go for 30. All right, we've let it rest. Now let's see how this bad boy turned out. Rare.
Very rare.
What the hell? All right, we're throwing it back in the oven. What the hell? We threw it back in the oven. We're gonna go 200 for like maybe 20, 30 minutes.
Yeah.
That thing was rare.
A little more.
Honestly, I have no idea what to cook this at or how long to cook it at, so cook it to whatever you like. That looks pretty fucking good to me. All right, taste test. No fancy plating, no nothing like that. This is just straight lamb today.
Merry Christmas, y'all.
Merry Chrysler. Cheers.
Bless him.
Lamb is so good.
Make this shit at home.
Make this shit at home.